Hi students, in this session, now we will learn about division of 10, 100 and 1000. Before that, you have learned properties of division. Also, you have learned dividing 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers. Okay, now we will learn about division of 10, 100 and 1000. So look here, first we will see dividing a number by 10. Look here, dividing a number by 10. Okay? First, on dividing a number by 10, the quotient is obtained by removing the ones digit from the number. The ones digit from the remainder. First, read that sentence properly and understand it. What has given. Okay, see here again, on dividing a number by 10. So look here, example 245 divided by 10. Okay, the quotient is obtained. Quotient. So here, quotient is obtained by removing the ones digit. Now 245. We are going to divide by 10. So here, ones digit is 5. Tens digit 4 and 100 digit is 2. So what is it? Removing the ones digit. Means from this 245, removing the ones digit. Ones digit is 5. From the number, we get quotient. Means 24 is quotient. Listen again. When you divide any number by 10, then ones digit you remove. Means from this 245, 5 is removed. Remaining number, here remaining number is 24. So 24 is quotient. Look here, quotient is 24. And the ones digit is 5, forms the remainder. So remainder is 5. Once again, understand it. When we divide any number by 10, then remove the ones digit and remaining is quotient. So here, the quotient is obtained by removing the ones digit. So here quotient, by removing ones digit is 5. So we remove 5, remain 24. So 24 is quotient and ones digit forms the remainder. So 5 is the remainder. Okay. So in this example, 245 is dividend, 10 is divisor, 24 quotient and 5 is remainder. Understood? How to divide any number by 10. So without division, we can get here quotient and remainder. How to get that? I have shown you. Next, dividing a number by 100. Now we have seen dividing number by 10. Okay. So look here, on dividing a number by 100, the quotient is obtained by removing the tens and ones digit. How quotient is obtained? By removing the tens and ones digit from the number. The number formed by remove tens and ones digits is the remainder. So see example, you will understand better. Okay. Now look here, 4287 divided by 100. So when you divide any number by 100, at that time remove. How quotient will obtained? By removing tens and ones digit. So if we see this number 4287, ones digit is 7 and tens digit is 8. So by removing these two tens and ones digit, we get quotient. So remaining 42 is quotient. Okay. See here, when on dividing a number by 100, here 4287 we are dividing by 100. So 4287 is dividend and 100 is divisor. And how we get quotient? By removing tens and ones digit. So here tens digit is 8 and ones digit is 7. So we remove, remaining 42 is a quotient. And the digit, remove digit. Which remove digit? 8 and 7. The number by. Remove tens and ones digits is the remainder. So here 87 we remove. So 87 is remainder. Understand it? On dividing a number by 100, the quotient is obtained by removing tens and ones digit. And the number removed from by the remove tens and ones digit is the remainder. So in this example, 4287 is dividend, 100 is divisor, tens and ones digit is 8 and 7. By removing we get remaining number 42 quotient and 87 we remove, so 87 is remainder. Okay. Next, dividing a number by 1000. Dividing a number by 1000. Okay. So see here, on dividing a number by 1000, the quotient is obtained by removing the hundreds, tens and ones digit from the number. Look here, on dividing a number by 1000, the quotient is obtained by removing the hundreds, tens and ones digit from the number, and the number formed by remove hundreds, ones and tens digit is remainder. Okay, so we will see example. Look here, 8543 divided by 1000. So here 8543 is dividend. Okay, because we are going to divide this number, and 1000 is divisor. So how to get quotient? The quotient is obtained by removing. Which did we have to remove? 100, tens and ones. Here ones digit is 3, tens digit is 4 and 100 digit is 12. So we get quotient by removing 100 digit, tens digit and ones digit. So here we have to remove 543 from the 8543. So remaining 8. So 8 is a quotient. And the number formed by the remove 100, tens and ones digit is the remainder. So 543 is the remainder. Understood? When we divide any number by 1000, the quotient is obtained by removing 100, tens and ones digit, and the numbers formed by the removed 100, tens and ones digit is the remainder. So in this example, 8543 is dividend, 1000 is divisor, 8 is quotient and 543 is remainder. Okay. Students, now we will learn about division by shortcut. Means you have learned dividing a number by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. So in that you have learned. But when you have to divide a given number by 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 or 90. At that time, by shortcut method, how to find quotient and remainder. So that I will show you here. Understand, student? We have to find quotient and remainder by using shortcut method. So to divide any number by 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90, we have to follow some steps to find the quotient and remainder. How to find this quotient and remainder by shortcut method, that we will learn it. Okay. So see, there is given example. For example, 9202 divided by 90. Listen student, the steps which we have to follow while dividing a given number by 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80 or 90. So step first, remove the ones digit from the dividend and divisor. Look here. Now here 9202 that number we are to divide. So this is a dividend, and by which it is divided? 90. So 90 is a divisor. Okay. Now what is first step? Remove the ones digit. Now 9202. Ones digit is 2. So it's removed. So we get number 920. We get number 920. Also remove ones digit from divisor. So we remove ones digit from divisor, we get 9. Okay? Means here we get new dividend and new divisor. By removing ones digit from dividend and divisor, we get here new dividend and new divisor. Okay? Now we will divide this new dividend by new divisor. Look here. Here we divide 920 by 9. First we divide leftmost digit 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Next digit we have taken here 2. 2 is less than 9. So quotient will be 0. So 2 minus 0, 2. Next digit 0, we take it down. Now we get here dividend 20. Okay. We divide 20 by 9. 9 2s are 18. 20 minus 18, 2. Means here we get quotient 102 and remainder 2. Okay? By dividing 920 by 9, we get quotient 102 and remainder 2. Now next step is what? Step third. So we get quotient. This is a required quotient 102 and remainder. Actually we get 2. Actually we get here 2. So here we in dividend we remove digit is 2. Once digit is 2. So you write here 2 and in front of it you write 2. Remove digit you write this 2 and remove digit 2 also you write. So you get required remainder is 22. Okay. So by dividing 9202 by 90, we get quotient 102 and remainder 22. Listen again. Step first. First we remove ones digit from dividend and divisor. We get new dividend and divisor. By dividing, we get quotient and remainder. Quotient as it is right, but while writing remainder, that write 2 and remove digit from dividend. That 2 write here once. So we get here remainder 22. In this way, our required quotient is 102 and required remainder is 22. So understood? In this way, when you divide any number by 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 or 90, you have to follow the same steps. You get required quotient and required